We'll guide you through how to customize your Gmail settings, making your email experience more personalized and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged into your account, look towards the upper right corner of the page and click on the gear icon, which represents Settings. This will open a quick Settings menu. For more detailed options, you need to click on See All Settings at the top of this menu. You're now in the main settings area where you can make various changes. Under the General tab, you can adjust things like your default text style, language, and even enable or disable keyboard shortcuts for faster navigation. Moving on to the Labels tab, you can manage your labels, which are essentially Gmail's version of folders. You can create new labels, edit, or delete existing ones, helping you organize your emails better. If you go to the Inbox tab, you have the option to change the inbox type. You might prefer the priority inbox if you get a lot of emails and want Gmail to sort them by importance automatically. In the Accounts and Imports section, you can manage your email accounts, change your password, and even import mail from other accounts. This is especially useful if you are consolidating multiple email addresses into one Gmail account. The Filters and Blocked Addresses tab is where you can create rules for incoming emails to automatically sort or block them, which can save you a lot of time dealing with unwanted messages. Finally, take a look at the Themes tab if you want to change the visual appearance of your Gmail interface. You can choose from a variety of themes or even upload your own image for a more personal touch. Once you've made all your desired changes, scroll down and click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure everything is updated. Customizing your Gmail settings can greatly enhance your email management, making it both efficient and tailored to your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.